Dental Clinic nenya gitalie kurubo gwene bwabo aso muchando bwa maino nigo bakurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina lya bwato muchando koya sivya komenterwa amaino asebalia agogete mkokwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina lya bochogete enya gitalie nige kurubo kale bwensi asedi goldense kegima mbambwate nsema sabana bakubutera nabo igokogoserelia obokoreri bwabo no bwabo nendo bwikiranwa wigo ngokora bale scanning chimashini chabo ni chibirongo bigoro nigo bagotoka imeyo mu cyo Kisii asamagacho a Uhuru Building aselirongo liri igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust boigo nabo kubonyora gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke boigo nabo kubonyora gwetera ase nchera yesimi wetera ase namba enotisa nebere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye ose gwetera ase nambende enoti isano nebere isano nemo inye isano nesatu kianda inye eyemo isano nesatu.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutwe. I am the Chief Dentist and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening, and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu.
Karibu sana na ndo mwancho muligire Chinsa Ikomi cha bono mwana kwa watu nyara gusanga Ekeonga Chinsa echiga cha bene nyara gusanga na intwe Chinsa mocha Facebook na boigo Chinsa mochiria cha YouTube ya masemo na Getembe TV area tariane Matildah Obaigwa nere veni nyabuke kwa asinsemo yevi manyara. Karibu sana nende asinchira ere yawene ekiguma na nekirongo chaka Ekeonga nigongo chakira ase engana yomu waziri omukoro omosike Rafael Tuju uyo nyari tukobora litukorie sabato koseri tukoria Jumamosi chitariki 20 na AM weekend iga yaetire bono uyo nyari koro kana inde lituko riarero busomo gasolero kale buya Tuju kago sanga nabaliki bamagana maya naboigo abobwatani ao nigo anyare kwera buna litukerio lya Jumamosi nigo abone tukogenda ase nyumbe yamo yoburalia korende hegatuka kale nchira nigo anyare tukubwatiwa nechigali chitabwate number plate keratebure nigo anyare tugusoka burase gali yae naboigo gutara na kwerigeria obomenyo gusakanyara kwerigeria ase aranyare gutumukira na bwigo kwebisa kurwa ase abo barenge kumubwatia chinga kichiga nigobono anyara kulika akenda ase gitaseni ky'abanyanyimbo gya Karen na bwigo kulika yuko aroro nekira kwerera ayo anyarete kumubera.
I reported to Karen police station and the reference OB that's on Friday is 21/21/03/2026. And I did explain to them that I was a little bit concerned and worried that I'm being followed. Unfortunately, on Saturday evening, I was supposed to be going for an interview at Ramogi Radio. I'd made a commitment to go there. Then again, the same vehicle, a Land Cruiser, and this time a little bit more concerning, the vehicle didn't have plate numbers. And by the time I reached Karen roundabout, they really closed in. And now they're definitely making sure that back to back with me. So fortunately, I know Karen well. I branched into Nandi Road. They were not able to branch into Nandi Road. If you go, you can see how that road is structured there. So it meant that they either had to turn and face the oncoming traffic to follow me, or they had to go around. That's how I lost them. A family in Kiambu, the boundary between here and Kiambu, that were able to give me shelter. They didn't care what my tribe is. They just saw me as a human being until yesterday past midnight when I was able to come here.
All is well that ends well. It is good to see you alive and well, and our hope and prayer is that all matters that may have given birth to this will be litigated in court and dealt with in accordance with the law.
We thank God that our brother is alive and well. And we know Rafa Tuju, and we know what he has gone through. I have absolutely no reason not to believe what he has just said. And the truth of the matter is there's an abduction squad in town. So let everybody calm down and adhere to the principles of constitutionalism and the rule of law.
My name is Steve Mwanga. I'm the one who was with Mheshimiwa. He was the one who was driving. I'm traumatized. I don't want to discuss about what happened, but it's a very
na ense ya Kenya na boigori ya China nigo chigendete gukora ukuigwana inchira chiranyare gukora amonchorero kubwa muno ekiro ense ya Kenya eligetie kweneke buna obomate bwa ense ya China bwanyarire koleta amatunda ane muno wetira ase amagendero au buna bono bwagachi bwechipara chireri na boigo nechi factory gosechi industry au ime yense ya Kenya litukolia rero nigo omukonyi bw'omurayi bwense musike kidore kindiki anyara gusanga na abarayi osebo bwatani au croissance ya China bakurawa no mu vice president bw'ense eyo nigo banyare gukwanira okokewa kwebango yebinto se biri bikurwa ase migondo bikogenda sense ya China munanchiremo yokogendera gukinya uchumi ense ya Kenya na boigo gutingia obwamate gati echinse echi ibere.
To the East African community, the Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa, COMESA, and the African Continental Free Trade Area, investors based in Kenya, Chinese investors based in Kenya, can access a continental market of more than 1.4 billion people in Africa with a GDP of 2.83 trillion US dollars. This makes Kenya an ideal location for production, value addition, and regional distribution across Africa. The success of our partnership will depend not only on government-to-government agreements, but also on the dynamism of our respective private sectors. Your Excellency, you're most welcome together with your delegation. We hope that this engagement between the business leaders from both Kenya and China will give us, and we are looking forward as Kenya to exploit the gesture of the zero tariff opportunity to take our products to China to the maximum. I thank you for your kind attention. I wish you a pleasant stay for the rest of your visit in Kenya, and I hope you will find time to visit Kenya again. We invite you.
Murai wense musike William Ruto ni kubono agenderete kubagikiria abarai ao bagisiasa bali asensemo yokwamiria serikali nekira kubura buna tibo bwati mirobilio irachi gokonya abakenya ng'anonye baise kwegwa ribaga riokora ense eyiga kaukwana kora ase county ya Migori kiranyara gusanga n'abamenyi bechinsemo kiri cha kuria kakoba igorera amagendero ao nigo musike William Ruto atebire ere na serikali yaye niko bagendete kwenekia buna ukubwaterana kwa beiraroro nabo igo amagendero anyari gwikiraniwa ase chinsemo chionsi.
Mimi nilikuja kuanzisha pale program ya affordable housing. Kuna ingine Nguruna hapa affordable housing. Hapa tuko na masoko tunajenga. Pale tuko na KMTC tunajenga. Hapa tuko na hospitali tunajenga. Kwenu tunawaunganishia stima. Watoto wenu tunawasomesha. Mnataka tuendelee na kazi ama tuendelee? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Kuna watu wengine matapeli, watu ambao hawana mpango. Wale watu wa siasa ya chuki na ukabila na ubaguzi. Mimi nawauliza ndugu zangu, sijui kama tunaelewana. Kiongozi yeyote katika Kenya hii ambaye lugha yake bado ni nyinyi Wajaluo, nyinyi wa Kalenjin, nyinyi wa Kikuyu, nyinyi sijui wa Kuria, nyinyi sijui, huyo ni kiongozi kumbafu. Huyo ni kumbavu ya mwisho. Viongozi kama hawa hawana nafasi tena katika taifa letu la Kenya. Hawa wananchi hawa tusiwagawanye kwa misingi ya kabila. Hawa wananchi ni wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya, ni kweli ama si kweli? Na siasa ya chuki na ukabila na kugawanya watu na ubaguzi haina nafasi katika taifa letu la Kenya. Wale jamaa mkiwasikia kazi yao William Ruto, kabila hii, kabila ile, kabila hiyo, mpango ya maendeleo hawana, sera ya maendeleo hawana, maono ya maendeleo hawana, mpango ya maendeleo hawana, agenda ya maendeleo hawana. Yao ni chuki, ukabila, ubaguzi na mambo ya bure. Na mimi nataka niwaambie chuma chenu kimotoni. Mwaka huu hatuwezi kukubali viongozi ambao wanatuletea uchochezi wa ukabila. Hawa wa Kenya wanataka kufanya kazi kwa pamoja. Ndugu zangu watu wa Kuria, mnasema tushirikiane ama tutengane?
Nakora ase wizara yobochenu mulikyo botambe ase wizara yo Mary Muthoni nigo aboriria wa Kenya banyara gutarira chinyagitari kusechi dispensary chirichire ange na sebakorwa chingaki baigure emebere bobe nigo atebire chinyagitari chinene buna chirifaro nigo chiabire chigotwara omochando osogoti ogoitinyana kwa baroire abo bono barabese konyora obokoreri ase chinyagitari chinke nonye chirichire ase ebinyoro chingaki echo nigatebire buna chinyagitari chinene chiri chimanyekana tubona chiri faro nigo chibwenerete koenana obukoreri anene muno ase amaroire ari amanene gusamroire ari agotwara omochando chingaki chokorwarirwa aganetie abanyagitari babwate obumanyi boigoro omono na chingaki echo nigo aboria ba Kenya bagende kwerikia ase omurobelio bobowenia omurobelio Social Health Authority ose SHA.
Mtu anasikia anaumwa na kichwa, anakimbia Kenyatta. Unasikia unaumwa na tumbo, unakimbia Murang'a teaching na rifaro. Tafadhali ninakuambia leo, utakuta jina yako haiko na utaanza kusema SHA haifanyi. Kwa sababu hiyo hospitali imetengenezwa ndio itibu, iko na wale madaktari sugu. Iko hapo ndio ikue ikitibu watu ile magonjwa makubwa. Na ndio maana kwa sababu tunajua hautaweza kulipa mwaka mzima, tumeweka kitu hapo chini inaitwa lipa SHA pole pole. Mumenisikia? Yule mwenye ataingia SHA leo, uangalie hapo chini kuna lipa SHA pole pole. Na lipa SHA pole pole inafanya hivi. Kama umeambiwa ulipe 3,600, hata nikikuitisha hiyo pesa saa hii, sidhani kuna watu wengi wako na hiyo pesa. Na sisi kama serikali tunajua. Tunakuambia hiyo pesa ya 3,600 unaigawanyisha mara 12. Hiyo ni pesa ngapi kwa mwezi? Ni kama 300. unaigawanyisha tena na 30 days. Hiyo ni pesa ngapi? Shilingi 10. So serikali inakwambia, mimi nitakupatia hii pesa. Nikisha kupea hii pesa, wewe niambie, kama wewe ni mama mboga, wewe ni mtu kama bodaboda kama huyo ndugu yangu, wewe ni mtu wa mjengo, wewe sema utakuwa unalipa ngapi kwa siku, ama kwa wiki, ama kwa mwezi, ama kama unataka unalipa hiyo yote.
Mugavana wa kaunti ya Mombasa Omosike Abdul Somad Nasir oyora mukonye ase kiama keri umukonye bumurai ase kiama kia ODM nigobono atebiruna ikiama kia ODM wikagitware umurai urachikurwanira ikirugo kiri kia bokonye bomurai bwense ase obuchorio bonene mu mwaka 2027. Somad nigo anyare kwerera na boigo gotebuna ekerenga kia ODM na boigo UDA kubwaterana no kweneke buna bakenya korwa chinsinyo chonsi banyale konyora oburai obuya egento atebiruna ODM nigo erigete konyorera ikirugi kigoro buna enchiremo yokogenderera oikirania chindoto chabo tia gesiasa.
Ingia katika hii serikali ya broad based, it is not a favor on ODM. Hatukuingia katika hii serikali ya kwa tumeingia ya kwa tuliingia kiholela holela. Nchi ilikuwa inaungua. Na tukasema ya kwa ikifika mwaka 2027 mazungumzo yaanze. Our demand, irreducible demand, is the position of Deputy President of this country has to come from ODM. Our irreducible demand is that we enter into talks ya kwa tunasema ya kwa lile la chini zaidi ni Deputy President comes from ODM. Na kama wapwani tunasema we produce a son of the soil that can be able to be fit to be the Deputy President of this country. ODM kuweza kutoa Deputy President atoke kutoka pwani sio ambayo kwamba atakuwa ni leo peke yake, atakuwa ni leo na kesho kutazaliwa mtoto kutoka Mombasa, kutoka Kwale, Lamu, Tana River, Taita na kila maeneo ya pwani ataamini ya kwa kuna siku atakuwa rais wa Kenya. Do not diminish the dreams of others hoping that they will be able to light your own dreams. If your dreams are fading, stick to where your dreams are, but do not try and fade our dreams.
Abarai vechi kanisa nigo bono banyare kuboria abarai ibage siasa kukiania siasa chiokuramana gosichinkwana chintindi echo charorokanire chikoba chikubwato kwa ase amatuko abwangoiga bakurawa no mo bishop bwe kanisa gosebwe diocese ya Nyeri Bishop Muheria Antone nigo bono banyare kwerabuna nigo siasa embe ya berege koneke wasa matuka bwangoiga kubwatekana mono abarai bali abanene baleme ya serikali na bale ensemo yokomereria serikali abo barorokanire kotatwara amaskani usio bwaba Kenya.
We want to ask our leaders to be sober in their language, in their thinking, in their doing of things, to be sober and focus that what they are doing to the greater service of the people of Kenya.
Tunajiuliza tunaelekea wapi? Because these people can lead us to war now. Kwa sababu these are verbal is a violence, wanatupiana maneno na ni vita. Hiyo ni vita ya maneno, ni vita ya maneno. Na kawaida kitoka vita ya maneno inaingia na Mungu may God forbid.
People are upset. So we want to ask them, maybe we still have time to reach the elections to come, but we want to ask them to come to be friendly to one another. As a church, we should never stop telling them to come together always and reconcile.
When any leader stands before the national media, television, you must ask yourself, what am I going to tell my people? Is it something that can develop them? Something that can give them encouragement? Something that can grow them?
Mwemona sana kiagira kwa genderire kuba umwegeno korwa litukuria gatagete gwikira chinka kichiga kolinde gendera kubwatia mirovere ya Getembe TV kubwa muno onyorere ayo na yenda mange asenjera engikirano kigima gikoraga Chinsa ibere Obaigwa Chinsa inyechalero maragoba eritariane Matildah Obaigwa korwa seve manyirerio nere veni nyaboke twara oboligereria ovia
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya wanje tia Getembe Television Network wetera zuku satellite channel number 038 egoki nimirulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli mienzi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia egulere edekoda ya zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas amonogo chingira kumwako muya ili wego kinimirulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora